Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's good with you?
Nothing much. Can you do me a favor?
You look as good as about these waffles here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Okay.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shadi, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be calling people on Monkey, and I'm gonna be asking them to rate me. And let's see how this go. I'm not looking all that, so hopefully they don't disrespect me and try to give me like a freaking low number or whatever. We're gonna see how this go, guys. Okay. Before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is gonna be right below. Hey, what's up?
What's up, supermodel?
Can you do me a favor?
Hell nah, bro. You probably gonna ask me something outlandish. What's up?
No, I wasn't. The first person. They is just so. Do me a favor and rate me from 1 to 10.
A 10.
Thank you. Hey, what's up? Well, I can't see nothing.
Oh shit, what's up? Oh shit, what you drinking at time?
Cognac. Can you rate me?
You down 10 off the rip. I like you down. What's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Nothing really. Add time real quick. I got a question.
Okay. So you gotta answer my question too.
Okay. Alright. What's your favorite shoe brand and why?
My favorite shoe brand is Yeezys and Dolce & Gabbanas.
Oh, you got money. And what else?
I love Yeezys. They so comfortable, and I'm like a type of girl. I like wearing leggings, and like I'm a leggings and a like you know them girls that just like to wear workout. Yeah, I got those. I got those too. I got those. I like to just wear workout. No, I'm not rich. I just, I love Yeezys.
Okay.
Yeah, I just throw on Yeezys with some leggings and a hoodie, and I keep it pushing. I like to dress like that.
Hey, that sound like the simple big act. Look, sweats and a hoodie and a t-shirt.
Yeah, I'm simple. I like dressing like that. You know what I'm saying? And then I love my Dolce & Gabbanas. But,
Add more time real quick. Add more time.
Come on now. We ain't gonna be doing this. Listen.
Alright. Press follow then. Press follow and it'll stay there.
I don't be on this. I'm just on this because I need to do something. I want y'all to rate me from 1 to 10.
Oh, no, 10.
Oh, thank you.
You welcome.
What are you guys? You guys gonna put me in jail?
I'm old enough to be your daddy.
Little kids are so cute.
Mama, I'm a daddy. I'm a daddy.
Hell no, I like it. I'm on my way to the Bronx with you, gorgeous.
Now you better stop it.
I gotta come out there. Need to see something new anyway.
Yeah, what you rate me from 1 to 10?
You a solid 9. Cute though, for sure.
A solid 9.
You better 9.5 now.
No, you know what? Fuck you. You said a 14-year-old. I'm telling y'all, my daughter, she is not going to be having a phone thinking, no, see? Said a 15-year-old. Be a lot of young kids on here, and I am not going to jail. Keep showing me. What's up? No, it's cognac. That was weird. You know when like I don't know.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's up with you, mama?
I'm good. You look high as fuck. You was
High
smoking?
as a motherfucker.
Wow, that's crazy.
I had time.
I tried to, but hey, what's up? What you doing?
Nothing, chilling. Had time.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Oh, baby girl, you a 10. Rate me.
You smart, you loyal, you're grateful. I appreciate that. Go buy your mama a house. Go buy your whole family houses. Put this money in your savings account. Go spend some money for no reason. Come back and ask for more.
Yo.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, add time.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10 and then I'll add time?
I got you.
Rate me and then I'll add it.
Nah, forget it then.
You are a gay motherfucker.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sade. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscription button. Make sure you like and comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, HumbleQueen3_. And make sure you follow baby_Aviani on Instagram. If y'all are still watching up to this part, just know you is my best friend. And when I get rich one day, I'm going to take you out, okay? Anybody who supports me, I fucks with that. You feel me? I don't want to curse too much because I don't want to get banned from YouTube. But your girl is about to be doing videos after videos after videos after videos. I know y'all tired of hearing me talk because I talk too goddamn much and I can't shut the up sometimes. But you gotta love me. Nah, but make sure you guys hit that subscription button. I really need 1,000 subscribers. And if y'all don't get me to 1,000 subscribers, I ain't gonna do shit. But still, like, get me to 1,000 subscribers.